On today's body cam, we're checking out arrogant woman thinks she can fool the cops during a traffic stop.
On the afternoon of February 10th, 2025, officers conducted a routine traffic stop on a gray vehicle. The driver was a woman, and they asked her to provide her driver's license and identification. But almost immediately, the situation became more complicated. She had trouble giving clear information, and the name she provided did not match the description officers were checking.
Florida tag,
You know your social name?
Charlie.
Not by heart.
Okay.
Not by heart.
You know any of the numbers?
That should be a crime within itself. I know she's lying, but if there are any adults out there that do not know their social by heart, you should be charged with a crime.
Numbers in it? Like last four or anything? First three? Something like
Last
that?
4 is, I think, 3-3. I haven't learned it by heart just yet.
No worries.
But I think the last 4 is.
Months ago. Yeah, I don't think so.
Been on 31, check 1014.
We're just pulling up right now. If you want to wait a second.
Ma'am, none of these pictures on this driver's license look like me. Okay, so I'm gonna give you.
All those pictures are me.
I'm gonna give you one.
Eyelashes
Hang on.
and I just got a different wig. I got braids in those.
I'm gonna give you one more chance to tell me the truth.
That's you, sir.
My start's going up with the fingerprint scanner. Okay, so we're gonna get your fingerprints and it's gonna reveal your true identity. Okay, so if you want to tell me who you actually are right now, that would be great. Before I gotta go through all that. You might have pulled one over on the trooper, but you're not gonna pull one over on me.
I didn't pull one over on the trooper.
You got a ticket issued to you under that person's name.
Wow.
This would be a warrant. It's a crime. So what's your real name? Otherwise, we're gonna get the fingerprint scanner. Yeah, I got it charged right now. For your fingerprints.
Sorry?
Do you have a warrant, or are you suspended, or what is the deal? Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. That's me. I just got a wig, lashes.
Do you have a credit card with your name on it? Where's your wallet? You tell me so.
That doesn't look like me.
No, it doesn't. But it just doesn't look like you in the
That's
pictures.
me. That was this one.
Oops.
Do you have a wallet?
No.
You have nothing in the car with your name on it?
I just left the house. I was running straight to the
store?
Putman little restaurant and going right back.
How are you gonna buy stuff?
I was just about to. Oh man, I was just about to say.
Without a wallet.
Okay.
I had cash in
Where?
the middle console.
Okay, so I can check the car for a wallet or anything, a purse, anything with your name on it? The fingerprint scanner.
Okay. What is that?
Look, we all know. You know you're lying.
Okay.
We got it. She told us. She just told us. We probably wouldn't have cared if you were dishonest, to be honest with you. We're not out here for that shit.
What's crazy is the person information you give me doesn't have a license to
Donna, can I make a phone call?
Probably. Hold on.
Huh?
Probably. It's his call, but
I'm sorry.
let him finish what he's doing.
You hear me?
She's right here. She couldn't hear you. I was talking to her.
Who's Nakia Warren?
My daughter.
Does she know that you are...
No.
What a piece of shit. What a fucking piece of shit. Excuse my French. What's that? Excuse my French, man. She, the mom, is pretending to be the daughter and is getting tickets in the daughter's name, using the daughter's identity. And sometimes, you know, I've heard of instances like this where, you know, you have you know, I don't know about any other community or whatever, but in the black community it happens, you know, where let's say the parents have bad credit or whatever, you know, something is wrong, or let's say they let's just use cable for example, right? Let's say they had a cable bill or a phone bill, and you know, things went bad with them, right? And so they may owe that company money or whatever. Well, they will get those services in their kid's name, because a lot of times all you need is, you know, the social and stuff like that. Especially back in the day, you didn't really have to provide nothing for real, you know. So kids would grow up or whatever, and they turn 18, 20, you know, 18 years old, or, you know, they might actually start looking into their credit maybe around 21, 22, 23, you know, when they're actually trying to buy a car or do something, you know, use their credit, right? Or at least see where their credit is at, right? Now, they shouldn't have anything on their credit, but when they pull it, they got this collection, that collection, this bill, that bill. You like, wait, hold on. How did I get this? I didn't do any of this. And come to find out, it was your parent putting things in their name when they were a child and stuff like that. So it happens. It definitely happens, man. Scumbag. I'm telling you. She's using her daughter's identity and getting things put in her name. Tickets and all that type of stuff. Ruining her stuff.
What he's doing?
You hear me?
She's right here. She couldn't hear you. I was talking to her.
Who's Nakia Warren?
My daughter.
Does she know that you are?
No.
It's in her room.
You on Cajun?
Malt's call.
What?
Cage?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want me to call? Into 63 fund.
I'm
I get a cage unit to my location, please.
I was on the 19th at court. I'm actually out. I did not be
Into 63 back. Oh, Fox Shots, that's going to be 10:15. Into 63 Celtic. What do you on? Well, is this violating your probation? Then no.
Well, actually, I don't have a date to report again. All I have to do is just take my community hour papers to the courthouse on the 19th. But I don't have it. I don't see a probation officer anymore.
Okay, we'll figure that out. If it's saying that you're probation, then no, you won't have one. If it's what you say, then you'll have a bond. You have anything on you, ma'am?
Yeah, ready.
No. Go ahead, sir.
How are you?
Good, you? It's a little hot out here. But, you know, it's fine. False name, habitual DWS, and maybe GOP.
She's You want this to go with Matt?
I'm just going to do a pat down. My partner, everything's audio visual. Okay. I just don't want you to feel some type of way. Inside, I'm going to flip your front pockets inside out and pat down everything else. Do you have anything on you at all? Okay. I just want you to understand, based on the circumstances, and we can't get a full, complete search. If you do bring anything to the jail,
I don't have anything.
okay, it's going to be an additional fine. It's my same shtick that I tell everybody. So if you get down there and they do have anything and you just don't announce it, they're going to do a complete underneath everything here.
I don't have anything.
Okay, I just, like I said, it's my same thing.
She know the deal.
You stand right here. I'm going to flip the pockets inside out first, okay?
This ain't her first rodeo. She know the deal.
No kind of weapons or anything sharp. No dope.
using your daughter's identity. Messing her stuff up.
Just utilize the backside of my hand, okay? Nothing in these back pockets here?
No.
Lift your hand up for me.
304 status check.
Sorry, I just don't want you to fall.
Sit this one back on.
Thank you.
A lot more pleasant than the last one.
Yeah.
Same shoes. Same.
Much
utilizing the
cleaner.
backside of my hand.
Okay, that's right. 215
Good. Good.
All right, miss. We're going to be passing this out here to make sure there's no traffic and anything keeps in the back.
You're good.
Finally, the woman's true identity was confirmed as 46-year-old Donna LaFay Hill. After the investigation, she was taken to the county jail on multiple charges, including felony violation of probation or community control, giving a false name or identification to law enforcement, and driving while her license was suspended as a habitual offender. According to the arrest record, her total bond was listed at $1,000.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.